Good afternoon, students. In last class, we discussed changes around us chapter. In that, many changes are taking place around us on their own, and we done some activities, right? In that, changes occurring can be reversed, right? Students, now in this class, let us repeat the same activities with a difference. Students, take the same balloon which we used in first activity and blow it to its full size. Now tie its mouth. Now prick it with the pointed tip of your pen. Students, now what happened? Balloon burst, right? Students, now take the same piece of paper which you used in activity 2 for making paper boat, right? And draw a aeroplane on it. And now cut along its outline. Okay, now I am going to cut along with its outline. Students, now all of you see here an aeroplane cut out of paper. Okay. Students, in next activity, roll out a roti from the ball of dough again and bake it on a tawa. Now roti is prepared, right? Students, remember in previous class we have done some activity, right? Suppose you are asked the same 3 questions which you answered after activity. In that, changes occurring can be reversed, right? Students, what we are discussed in this class, the changes which have occurred cannot be reversed, right? Students, another example, you use a pencil and an eraser, right? With repeated use, their shape and size change, right? Pencil become smaller, okay? Rubber become also a smaller and change its shape, right? Can we reverse this change? We can't reverse this change. Students, another example is you must have seen a potter working on his wheel and he shapes a lump of clay into a pot. Can this change can be reversed? Yes, this change can be reversed, right? And he then bakes the pot in an oven. Now, can this change be reversed? No, we can't change. Students, here in this table, some common changes are given. And which of these changes do you think can be reversed? Students, here first in this table, raw egg to boiled egg, okay? This change can be reversed or not. When we boiled a egg, we can't bring back the egg, right? So, we can't bring the change, okay? Students, yes or no? We can't bring back the raw egg, right? So, we can't change the reverse. No, okay? Now coming to the second one, batter to idli. Okay, students, here also we can't reverse the change, right? No. Okay. Now coming to the third one here, wet cloths to dry cloths. Okay, what happened here? This change can be reversed. Okay, yes. Now coming to the next, this change can be reversed. Okay, yes. Now coming to the next, students, here next, woolen yarn to knitted sweater. Okay, this change can be reversible. Okay, yes. And next is a grain to its floor. Okay, once grain is floored, it can't be reversed. Okay, this change cannot be reversed, right? No. Okay, next here is cold milk to hot milk. Okay, this change can be reversed, right? When we cool a hot milk, it will again become cold milk, right? This change can be reversed. Yes. Okay, here, yes. Students, remaining 6 changes are given here. Okay, all of you should do in your homework book. Okay, students, in this class we have learned some changes can't reversed by the activities. If you have any doubt, ask in online session. All of you should follow given worksheet. Thank you, students.